Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download images from ChatGPT. So let's say for example we ask it to generate a picture, maybe something funny like generate a picture of a cartoon cat riding a bike. So as you can see, it starts creating the image and within a few seconds we should be able to download and view the image. So here's the finished product, and if we want to download this, all you have to do is mouse over it and click on this button at the bottom right of the image preview. So it's going to open up a few options that you would want to choose from when you're sharing it. And at the very right, you're going to see the download option. So go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, it's been downloaded to my downloads folder right here. So pretty quick and pretty easy. Just keep in mind that it doesn't actually show up in the files in chat window. You're gonna have to manually look through the chat conversation and find the image. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.